Hello everyone, this is Amy from Borderless House. Today I'm gonna show you our house near Shandao Temple area. It's very close to the MRT station. Let's go and take a look. When you enter the house, here's the living room. We have the security box here. If you have anything important like your passport or your money, you can put it inside. And we have sofa, television, and Wi-Fi box here. You can enjoy chatting with your housemates in the living room. Now let me show you the balcony. We offer the washing machine and you can hang out your laundry here. Now let me show you the dining room and the kitchen. Here's the dining room. You can share your home-cooked meals with your housemates. And we also have a refrigerator over here. Now let me show you the kitchen. We offer some pots here. If you're enjoying cooking, please feel free to use it. And everyone will have one food box. You can put your food inside. And we also have microwave and oven over here. Please feel free to use it. It's very convenient, right? Here's all the common area of this house. If you are interested in other rooms, please check the link below. You can get more information. And now I'm gonna show you the transportation and the environment near this house. This is the area map of Shandao Temple Station. It takes 3 minutes on foot from MRT station to our house. There are 2 convenience stores, supermarket, Starbucks, U-Bike station, and the creative park nearby. This is Taipei metro system. We are at Shandao Temple Station. It's just one stop from Taipei main station. Here are the information of the closest stations near language schools, Guping, Technology Building, Dongmen, and Da'an Park. This is the house tour today. If you are interested in our share house, please send an email to us. And welcome to follow our Facebook and Instagram. There will be more information on it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.